everybody, it's Renee here and welcome to my channel. I hope that you're having a great day, and I just wanted to show you 3 different Christmas journals I've just recently made. Here are 2 of them. The first one measures 6.75 inches or 15.5 by 19 centimeters, and the one on the right is 6.75 by 7 inches or 17 by 17.5 centimeters. With both of these, you are going to get a ribbon. It will either be a red one or a green one that will be nicely tied, or it could be just in the package with your beautiful little journal that you're getting in the mail, or with yourself if you're buying this locally. So I really enjoyed making both of these. I have them priced to sell, and I am thinking they're probably not going to last very long. So I've got some other journals that are also for sale, and I will link that up top. You can go to my YouTube channel and check out the link there and see if you like those ones. Those ones are a different color scheme. These are more traditional in the reds and greens and some golds. I had a lot of fun, like I said, making these, and I hope you'll enjoy them also. So we're going to have a look at the first one now. And with this one, it has one signature. On the front, I've added some glossy accents on the areas that look like raindrops, and I think it looks really cool. Hopefully you can see it. It's a lot of cuteness to this one with the birds in the front. This one, when I did it, I accidentally slightly put the signature in slightly crooked, so the price will be reflected in that in the Etsy shop. There's all different styles of papers here and different colors. There's some music paper. There's also some stickers attached. And on some of them, I have trimmed them with fancy punches. I have not added a lot of white paper in case you wanted to add pictures or if you want to do your own journaling. So that is up to you to add. So I left that alone so you can decide for yourself. I have also drawn a line around each edge, so it gives it some depth and dimension. Lots of great traditional colors. There's some plaids, as you can see, some florals, and just some neat pictures. This one I folded over. It's just a lot of fun. And like I said, with all 3, they are single signature journals where you can add your own take on them. They're all priced very reasonably for you, so you can either give these as gifts or keep them yourselves and add your own pictures and journaling for you. With this journal, you're going to receive this glycine bag with different tags inside. There's some really nice tags. The holes have not been punched out. I left that in case you don't want the holes punched. And each of these tags is double-sided. One side has either a picture or a sentiment, and the other side you could either write on it or add a picture. So that is our first journal. And if that was not your style, you might like the other ones coming up. So now we are on to our second journal. And like I said before, this one is 6.75 by 7 inches or 17 by 17.5 centimeters. This is the front and the back, and each of these journals has the covers on the corners, so you don't have to worry about your journal getting bent over. This one is a slight different take. There are traditional colors as well, but it also has some winter themes in here as well, as you can see with the snowman. There's all different sizes of papers, and like this one, I didn't add a lot of white, but there is some in here. I did add a little bit so you can add some more journaling or add pictures or whatever you might want to add. This one is also very pretty and would make a great stocking stuffer or gift for somebody that you are buying for or for yourself. And with this one, you will get a glycine bag as well. This one has some areas where you can add information inside. You can either journal on the pocket or you can just put something inside it. Each one also, as I've indicated, has the outline on each page for the depth and dimension as well. More cards for you to write on. Again, this is one signature. This one has the little area where you can pop something inside. There's a few different pockets, so you can add different things inside. Great, you could even add a gift card or a card of some kind. And inside this glassine bag, you're going to also get some tags. And like the other ones, there's one side that's empty, which you can write on or add a picture, and a sentiment or picture on the other side. They're very cute. There's so many things you could do with these. You can attach them, you can clip them, you could put them in the pockets with your sentiments on. There are so many different options. And that will come with your journal. So both of these are in my Etsy shop. The link is down below and you can choose which one you want. But we're not done there. So this is what you'll get with the first journal. This is the second journal. But now we are on to our third journal. This one measures 5.25 by 8.5 inches or 13.5 by 21.5 centimeters. This is a very traditional take on Christmas. You will also get the metal corners so it doesn't bend over. And again, those are your measurements, 5.25 by 8.5 inches or 13.5 by 21.5 centimeters. This also is a one signature journal and you will have a ribbon in either red or green as well, like the other two journals. And inside, this is some vintage wrapping paper, which I absolutely loved. It is folded over, so you can either tack it down to make a pocket, or you can write on all these different folds and use that as well. This one has some traditional papers and some not so traditional Christmas papers. There's some plaid. You have your music paper. This is a double-sided vintage napkin. There's some elements from Kathy Holden added onto these, as you see with this bow, onto some Stampere paper. And here's also another Kathy Holden element onto the green. These papers, like the other journals, are strictly just papers. You can add some papers or cards onto them for notes and writing your journals. Other than that, you can add pictures or whatnot, just like the other journals. There are some stickers added on here. And this again is one signature. This also is priced very reasonably, so this will also be available for sale in my Etsy shop. And all these different layers means you can add a whole bunch of different elements to this mini journal. There's so many beautiful colors and different papers that I know you or whoever you might give this to will just love. I have other Christmas products and different things coming very soon, or you can check out my Etsy shop for a lot of the other elements and different products I sell for junk journaling and other things, which are awesome for your creating. I will also be having some mixed media videos coming soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe and hit the all and the bell notification so you don't miss out. And make sure you hit that like, which I really appreciate. This is the thickness of these journals, and these journals turned out beautifully. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you check out more of my videos, and make sure you subscribe, like I said. These are the different elements you'll be getting inside a glycine bag as well with this journal. So you get the florals, the flashcard, this beautiful sheet of Vicki Boutin paper, and I also have a few different vintage ephemera pieces. You can either use these in your journal, use them for a different product that you're doing, or different layouts, whatever you might want to do. So this is mini journal number 3. I just want to say thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate your support and have an awesome day.